National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning for eastern Nuckolls County until 3:30 a.m. At 2:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Nora, or 30 miles northwest of Belleville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Nelson, Oak, and Nora around 3:00 a.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 a.m. for the following counties.
Charles McCarris conducting the Scottish Chamber Orchestra for a piece that just feels like a good day. Johannes Brahms' Second Symphony in A major. I'm Melanie Renata. This is Music Through the Night.